what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this string to sort of hold up the panels, these panels here, at various sections. So what I've done is I've sort of drilled a hole. I've put in a screw here, and a screw here, so that I can hold up these panels. So I just put up these screws and the string. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the string as a guide for my poles, and I think that will work out good. So I saw this picture from a family handyman site, and I said, this is what I need. And so I basically see that they're using Tuftex, and this is the sort of the order that you wanted to do, is make a gradual flow down to a gutter. And so that's what I was trying to make in this build. Okay, so I have about a 1/2 inch and about 1 inch and 1.5 inches, and then we're going to attach it over here, which is going to be flush, and that should bring the water down to the gutter. It's one sheet being held up by the string, and it's reaching over to the gutter, and I'm about to get another sheet and put it up. Well, I got those 2 panels up, and it's Father's Day, so I'm going to go out to eat. But I wanted to show you what that looks like underneath. The gutter, the 2 panels coming down, and we have the 1.5 to 1 inch to a 1/2, and up there. Anyway, I'm hoping that it'll keep all this stuff dry for the next 3 days, because it's going to be raining for the next 3 days. All right, I'm at it again, and what I've done is I've added this little downspout, and that goes down to a flexible tube, and I have it on the other side of this post because I'm going to have a duplicate of this gutter on this side. And so I'm going to have the similar thing coming down, and it will have enough, this drainage tube has enough space for another one of these. So that will be good. Fill in this area, and to install some in-between joist slats. Here's what it looks like. I've got 4 sheets up there now. And this is the area between the stairs and the gutter here. I decided to do is just to put a couple sheets right here meeting this center gutter, and then what I also have done is I've put in these in between joist slats so I can have something to screw to, because it wasn't quite long enough. Just worked on this area here because this lip was about hitting right about here, so I got this hitting a little bit deeper so that when it pours off, it pours down inside. So hopefully that will take care of that. if I can put the corrugated stuff right through here, then I can stop the rain from coming down in this area. So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this piece of plastic. I'm thinking in half, but I don't know for sure if it's gonna work. Hopefully it will work. So one of the things I did yesterday is I put up this row of 1 foot pieces because I know that the length of the drainage corrugated plastic is not long enough. So I went ahead and put all that up. So it's time to seal up that cap. Now I had bought a whole bunch of these little caps. Come to find out, there's a left and a right. So I bought 4 lefts and I needed to buy 2 rights and 2 lefts. Now the other thing is, you know, I was struggling so hard with this thing. Come to find out that Lowe's sells a $3 caulk gun for this very purpose. So live and learn. So I'm going to make sure that this lines up good. It looks like I'm going to have to finagle this. That little angle doesn't quite match up to that angle, so I'm going to have to make it work. Got a nice bead on there. If it fills up that thing up to the top, I'll be surprised. But anyway, I'm going to put this on now. And there you go. Nice and in there. Side had to be different, and I just basically had to make a little wall there so that water would stop there. So hopefully that will be enough.